Good morning, students. So, this is mathematics activity 2. In this activity, we are going to study what is the formula for volume of cone. So, now already we know what is volume of cylinder. Like, suppose I have already told you that volume of cylinder is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So, this is volume of cylinder. Now, from volume of cylinder, how to derive the formula for volume of cone? That we are going to study in this activity. So to perform this activity, you all need three A3 white sheets. You need to take any three white sheets. You can take A4 also. Next, you need ruler. You need marker. You need one scissor, one tape, and here you can see this is sand. 1 kilogram of sand, or even if you don't get sand, you can take 1 kilogram of salt. Okay, so these are the things which you all need to do this activity. So the aim of this activity is to find the volume of cone using volume of cylinder. So this is nothing but a cylinder. Like you have seen examples, live examples also of cylinder. What are the examples of cylinder? Those are nothing but pipe which you see at home. Next, you see this cylinder also at home. That is also an example of cylinder, or drum. That is also an example of cylinder. Okay, and what are the examples of cone? Birthday cap, that is an example of cone. Ice cream cone, that is also an example of cone. So we shall see here how to find the volume of cone using volume of cylinder. Now first thing, take one A4, like whichever you take, A3 sheet or A4 sheet. You need three sheets to perform this activity. Take the first A4 sheet paper, draw a rectangle on that with breadth 10 centimeter and length must be equal to circumference of the circle. What is formula for circumference of the circle? 2 pi r. Take pi value as 22 by 7 and radius you take it as 3.5. So length will be how much? 2 into pi into r, that is 2 into 22 by 7 into 3.5. So answer you will get it as 22 centimeter. So you have to draw one rectangle whose breadth is 10 centimeter and whose length is 22 centimeter. Like this you need to draw, students. Breadth should be 10 centimeter and length should be 22 centimeter. Next step, you have to cut that. After you draw a rectangle, cut that rectangle. Cut that rectangle. Next, take another one A3 sheet. Another one A3, second A3 sheet you take. On that you draw a circle whose radius is 3.5 centimeter. You draw a circle whose radius is 3.5 centimeter. Once you draw the circle, cut that circle. Now this is a circle of radius, what students? 3.5 centimeter. I hope you all know how to draw a circle of radius 3.5 centimeter, correct? Take the rounder or the compass, you say. You take the compass, measure 3.5 centimeter from the ruler and draw it on the A3 sheet. After you draw, cut the circle. Once you cut the circle, so we got here one rectangle whose breadth is 10 centimeter and whose length is 22 centimeter, and we got one circle whose radius is 3.5 centimeter. Now once you get these both, you have to take this rectangle, fold from both the sides. You take a curve, not exactly fold. You just take this curve and this curve so that you will get it in this form. You can see here. Once I fold the both sides of a rectangle, I'll get it in this form. Once you get it in this form, here you put the tape, paste the tape here and join these both ends. Once you fold the rectangle, join these both ends using the tape. After that, this circle you can see here, which is a circle of radius 3.5 centimeter, take this and paste it at the bottom of cylinder like this. So I have here, this was the radius, circle of radius 3.5 centimeter. I pasted it at the bottom of cylinder here. Take it above and paste it here at the bottom of the cylinder. So first fold the rectangle at the two sides and paste the tape here by joining the two ends. After that, paste this circle at the bottom of the cylinder. So you will get like this. So here we have formed a rectangle. Now let us form cone. How to form a cone? To make a cone with the same height and radius as that of cylinder. Now height and radius of cone should be also same as height and radius of cylinder, right? So what you have to do? Take one A3 sheet. Again you take one A3 sheet. Draw a circle of radius 10.6 centimeter. Why 10.6 centimeter? So let us see here. Radius 10.6 centimeter we want. Why? Because here you can see, students, radius of cylinder is how much? 3.5 centimeter. Height of cylinder is how much? 10 centimeter. So we want cone, slant height of cone. Slant height of cone is usually denoted by small l, and it is given by the formula root of r square plus h square. Okay, so what is r here? Radius, that is 3.5 square. What is h here? The height, that is 10 square. So if I take the square and find out the square root, I'll find it out as 10.6 centimeter. So slant height, I got it as 10.6 centimeter. That is the reason we are drawing a circle of radius 10.6 centimeter on the 3A3 sheet paper. Okay, so you have to draw a circle of radius 10.6 centimeter. Here we are preparing what? We are making a cone. So why radius 10.6 centimeter? You got to know here, because it slant height of cone is how much? 10.6 centimeter. Once you draw that circle, cut the circle. This is a circle of radius what? 10.